Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to tap on the settings, and here let's find apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the very first position, and here in the right upper corner we've got 3 dots icons, so let's tap on it. And as you can see on the very bottom of the list we've got reset up preferences option, so let's enter. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you are ready, let's tap on reset. And actually, that's all. This is how to successfully reset up preferences in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.